Okay, see ya.
Nice
Bye bye.
Bless ya.
Fair winds. And it still has explosives on board, so.
A good fish for sharks or orcas. A good bait.
Yes, I'm gonna check for. See you guys.
Have a good journey.
Fair winds. And I hope you're, yeah.
Heading south, right?
Yeah, heading to the Messina Strait, so.
Yeah.
Okay, see ya.
Nice
Bye bye.
Bless ya.
Fair winds. Soles. You can, I put the link down below from the Instagram channel. So. Okay, see ya. So a little bit out like what we did yesterday, and then just go cross in.
Going down south.
No, they're going north, yeah. Zuri, Soleil. Oh Jesus! Look at them going. Yeah, they're heading straight into it now. But there's no more. Oh, look at that! Look, nice. Some nice footage. Zuri's gonna go, and there's Soleil. They're heading towards the sun, we're heading from the sun. Depends how you look at it, because we're going into the sunset. They're going to sunrise. So we asked somebody for some assistance, like help for the mooring buoys where we're going now. and he's going to where we came from. So that's Ryan with his boat, lucky enough, and there he is. So I contact people on Navali, that's an app, and like asking how the anchorage is, or how the marina is, or other things, and you can, you have a whole community there that helps each other out if there's something like you need to know or whatever. It's really neat, really neat. So there's a boat here that's sunken over there somewhere, and it still has explosives on board, so we need to keep out of that. Like, there's a radius where the boat is, and there's a blast radius probably, because they said like, okay, we're going through a little bit of that. Zuri is staying really close to the coast, like you see there. Yeah, but it will be we will be out of the way as much as possible, and to cross this part. So, but look at the water. I'm sure it's sandy here, and it's 15.6 meters deep, so not that deep, but it's all sandy because you can see the color of the water. No seagrass, no rocks, all sand. .3 knots, so
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Whoa!
see what I mean? And then think of going 5 knots or 5.5.
I'm gonna lose my
I will blur it.
Oh, this is nice.
So we got a man overboard. Willingly. I already said, like, if he loses grip, then Zuri will pick him up. Going down. Woo! Oh, so refreshing. Woo.
This is a good fish for sharks or orcas. A good bait.
Orcas, yes. I'm gonna check for orcas.
No, you're a good bait for orcas.
Do not get the rudder. I will fight them out.
Do the spin.
Sorry?
Do the spin.
Thank you, grazie. So we're gonna have our breakfast.
Live long and prosper.